Take a ride in 2016 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.